Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Today didn't turn out quite as I'd expected, rather glum with dark clouds constantly passing overhead. Flurries of light rain and the threat of more showers and strengthening winds in the days ahead. Another day goes by with no extremes of temperature. Last night was mild and muggy, and today's top temps were mainly in the low 20s, about average for June. On the satellite loop, you've got to remember on these sorts of infrared enhancements, we call them, it's only really the middle and high cloud that you see clearly, and at the moment that's just around New South Wales, and of course that frontal system out to sea, which is what brought our rain over the weekend. The lower cloud bringing the showers from the southeast winds are much harder to see, but they're all along the coast here if you use your X-ray vision, nicely lined up, and if you look on radar, they're actually really close to us. Most of them are falling or reaching the coast north of about Coolum, although earlier today it was more Caloundra and even Maroochydore. And there'll be a little bit more of that tomorrow, hopefully not too much. Today's chart now, big high is the main pressure system now. Anchored itself over central Australia, but it is moving east. At the moment, it's not close enough to really increase the winds. We've had hardly any wind at all today, in fact, owing to the open isobar pattern there. However, on tomorrow's chart, as that high starts moving across Victoria and intensifying, you'll start to see the isobars scrunch up together, winds begin to pick up, a couple of little showers, and on the outlook chart, showers really pick up, and so do winds up to 25 knots at this point as the high continues to intensify. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Southeast winds, like I said, picking up from tomorrow, reaching 25 knots by the end of the day and blowing a steady 20 to 25 knots through Thursday on a rising swell. Surf's been up to around a metre and growing, generally safe between the flags, but expect increasing chop on the open beaches with tomorrow's rising wind. Our first tide in the morning will be a medium-sized high, followed by low tide around 11:30 a.m, and then rising to another high tide in the evening. The southeast coast district, some inland fog and a possible coastal shower. Maroochydore 14 to 23 degrees. Same for Nambour and Gympie 24. Looking ahead for Maroochydore, plenty more of these mild nights and cool days with an ever-increasing chance of showers as the second half of the week unfolds into the weekend. Perhaps a little brighter from next Monday. Tonight's photo was taken near Mount Tyson, west of Toowoomba last Friday. The diverging streaks are an illusion caused by geometrical perspective. These ice clouds are actually being carried in a straight line by high-altitude winds. Acknowledgements to Catherine Cronin for that one. Quite the spectacle, I'm sure you'd agree. Bye for now, and it's back to you, Rob.
On you, Liv. Thanks, Catherine. Thank you. Let's see you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.